Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Nnono TV and Comedy. We welcome you all on today's video. On today's video, we are about to show you how to fix out this bucket. I mean, how to lose it out from the machine. Hmm? As you can see with me, and with some spanners, some tools that can be used to lose out the bucket from the machine. Do you see the welder? This is the weatherman that constructed this bucket. The weatherman that constructed this bucket, this is him. Should be in case if you need his contact, we can equally send it to you. You see, I'm using 24 spanner to lose it. 24 spanner. Now, the down one, you can see it. Then I've moved to the other side of the bucket, still the 24 spanner. The bottom nut is turning over. It's turning over. It's not losing, it's turning over, which I used another 24 knot to hold it at the back. That's what I'm looking for, so that it will not be turned over again. Okay, you can see I'm holding it with 24 spanner, you see, so that I can be able to lose it. You see, you can see it clearly that so you have seen the inside bucket, how it look like. The material that was used to build this bucket is galvanized material, galvanized pan and galvanized angle iron. You know what it means to use galvanized material to build this kind of bucket, so that it can last longer. 94 bolt and nut. So hello guys, the purpose of making this video is to show you guys that this bucket can be loose out and it can fix in. So continue watching. Maybe before the end of the video, you will see that I will lose out the bucket, and you will see how the bucket was built and how fixable it can be again. You can equally lose it out and put your machine back in order as it were before. So there's nothing wrong in it. So they did not wet everything joined to the machine. No, it's something that can be fixed in and fixed out. So you see, I'm trying to point out the place that are fixed. 3 places this side. You can see I'm trying to double stand the machine so that it can allow me to see more space to lose the other knot. You see, I've lost this one. Then pushing the bolt right inside. You see, this is 24 Do you see the down one? This is bar iron from the spindle, from the center spindle down to the bucket, the dam bucket. You see the flat bar, how it was bent, and we use 16 mm iron to, you know, bend it as well together with the flat bar so that the flat bar cannot, it will be strong. You see, I have looked the bucket. The bucket has been loose. Do you see? You see the three places that you can tight it. This is the three places that you can tight it. You see where it has open. You will tape it to make everything to be in line. If not so, the bucket will not balance. So it's something that everything was run by tape. Do you see it? Do you see the under the bucket? Do you see the tire? How the tire, how the tire, do you see how the tire is rolling? Do you see how free it is? Do you see? Remember I told you that this was built with galvanized angle iron and the pan. You see? Do you see the bucket? I'm pushing out the bucket now. Do you see? Have you now seen the machine? Machine have now free. So if you want to fix back the carrier, the follow come carrier of this machine with seat, that's all. It is only carrier and seat that you will fix back. Then you will have this machine back to its normal shape. So this is the bucket. Please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Nnono TV and Comedy. We are on TikTok. We are on Facebook. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.